Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you Leonardo AI image to image tutorial. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type leonardo.ai and you have to create your account. Now once you tap that, there are several ways in how to log in. You can log in via Google account, Apple or Microsoft account. So for me, I chose Google account because it's easier and quickest way. So this is what it looks like. And to start, you just have to scroll down and then look for user tools, tap image generation here. So this is what it looks like. And there are tons of features and options here. We have AI image generation, number of images. I chose four at this time. And then what you want to do is to go to this image to image right here. Tap show me and you will see this uploaded image to get started. So what you want to do is to tap this one and then import, or you can drag that image that you're going to use for this tutorial or for this AI generator. Now I asked AI or Leonardo AI to add some Lomo effect to my original image, and to see the result, I have to tap this generate AI, and to see the full result, you have to go to generation history, or I have to click this generation history, and here it is. Actually, you can also add some effects, or you can change these effects from Lomo effect to vintage effect. All you have to do is to type it above and click generate AI. So this is what it looks like. If I am satisfied, or if you're satisfied with the result, then you can simply download this. Now, if you want to add something like other effects, or you want to explore more about this Leonardo.ai, what you want to do is to simply go back, and then there you will see some options like fine tune model. You can tap this one and then select from any of the effects here. Okay, and then once you're done, all you have to do is to click again, generate AI. And of course, to see the result, you have to go to generation history. So let's try this one here, like 3D animation style, generate AI, and then go to generation history and see the result. And you will be amazed with the result. And apart from that, once you have this result right here on the left side, you can easily modify or change some settings here, or change some effects. You can go to this advanced controls here. You can tap this other effects above. If you go on the right side, so you can see some options here like number of images. If you want to tap one, then you will see only one result of this, and other things here. So all you have to do is to explore. And if you want to know, or if you want to generate more images, you just have to go above and then enter some prompts right here and then tap generate AI, and that's it. Or you can import images from your computer and then start editing your images with the help of Leonardo.ai. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorials.